been extremely courteous and helpful with the staging of the Australian International Airshow. Joseph, a few words before you display.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the F-15 West Coast demonstration team would like to take a moment to thank Master Sergeant Sprague and the Cadena 44th AMU Bass. Also would like to thank Avalon Airshow ground crew. Controllability is just as important to those who fly fighter aircraft. To demonstrate the Eagle's slow speed handling characteristics, Captain Barrancova is now decelerating for a low and slow pass from the right in landing configuration. While the F-15 at the top will flown out more than twice, we hope you enjoyed this brief look at the F-15 Eagle. Captain Barrancova, myself, as well as our superb maintenance crew will be happy to answer any questions you might have about the F-15, Air Combat Command, or the United States Air Force. Thank you.
The F-15 is like a one.
Coming from the Royal Australian Air Force, look to you right now as the 4 MAA beams battle break over the field.